I'm Jill Duffy with PCMag.com, and this is what's new now. Twitter has launched a battle in the name of the First Amendment of the United States. On Tuesday, Twitter sued the U.S. government, saying that the Department of Justice is too restrictive on what the company can and cannot say about the government's national security request for user data. In other words, Twitter wants to be able to tell you more about the government's requests for user data related to surveillance. The problem with the current agreement is that it doesn't let companies say much of anything at all. For example, if a company that offers email received no requests for data about users outside the United States in a 6-month period, it would have to say the same thing as if it received 900 requests for that same information. That's not actually telling users anything of substance. Benjamin Lee, Vice President of Legal at Twitter, responded thusly: "It's our belief that we are entitled under the First Amendment to respond to our users' concerns and to the statements of U.S. government officials by providing information about the scope of U.S. government surveillance." He added, "We should be free to do this in a meaningful way rather than broad, inexact ranges." The ACLU is standing by Twitter's side in this case. Jamil Jaffer, American Civil Liberties Union Deputy Legal Director, said in a statement, "Twitter is doing the right thing by challenging this tangled web of secrecy rules and gag orders. If these laws prohibit Twitter from disclosing basic information about government surveillance, then these laws violate the First Amendment." Jaffers adds that the ACLU hopes that other tech companies will follow Twitter's lead. Certainly, solidarity from the tech giants would have a lot of sway. These are important companies in the United States. The biggest ones that own and store your data are all in the S&P 500. Google, Microsoft, Apple, Facebook, eBay. Did you know that Visa and MasterCard are listed as information technology companies in the S&P? I didn't until just now, and I think they're entirely relevant in this case. The point is, these are huge corporations with a lot of influence economically, which we all know bleeds into political influence too. So tech companies, a little solidarity with Twitter here would go a long way. I'm Jill Duffy, and that's what's new now.